The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG K51 for Metro by T-Mobile. So this is a mid-range smartphone for Metro by T-Mobile. This is a massive phone. This one does have pretty decent specs for what it is. Yeah, this is the LG K51, really massive on the phone. Yeah, let's go ahead and check it out, shall we? So the LG K51 has a 6.5-inch display. It's an HD plus full vision display that is a 720p display, a 13 megapixel triple camera system on back, long lasting 4,000 mAh battery. So yeah, and the LG K51 is 189.99. So that's the final thing in front of you. It does have a teardrop notch for the front facing camera. So yeah. So this is the final thing. That's all wallpaper, very colorful. So let's take this on full screen. So on the right side of the phone, let's have a power button, and your phone and micro SD card side are on the right side of the phone as well. So yeah, on the back of the LG K51, like I said, we do have two cameras on the back, which is pretty cool. Camera flash, fingerprint sunset, and LG logo there. And then on the left side of the phone, let's have the volume keys and the reverse system key on the left. On the top of the phone, you do have a nice cancellation microphone. Flip it down to the bottom. The phone guys will have a headphone jack, which is nice, microphone, Type-C charging port, and your speaker. So it says here, vividly capture and relive your biggest moments. Vividly capture and relive your biggest moments with the LG K51 large screen, impressive media suite, and multi-camera system anytime you want, with a long-lasting battery at a price that makes you happy. So for $190, it's not too bad, you know. You do have a 6.5-inch HD plus full vision display that is 720 by 1560. Triple rear camera with a 13 megapixel basic detection autofocus, a 5 megapixel wide angle, and a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera on the back. And you also have a 13 megapixel front facing camera as well. 4,000 mAh battery, 3 GB of RAM, and then 32 GB of storage. It says price may vary in store, so do keep that in mind, alright? So if you guys want to get the LG K51 for free, you switch to Metro by T-Mobile, and you will have to go to a Metro store for that to work, alright? Like I said, you have 2 cameras on the back. It's a triple 13 megapixel rear and a 13 megapixel front facing camera to capture clear, vivid pictures day or night. 6.5-inch AC plus full vision display for immersive viewing, bold color, and eye opening clarity. Long lasting 4,000 mAh battery for extended life. The display is not gonna look that great. I mean, the display will be decent, but it's not gonna be nothing. It's not gonna be nothing to write home about. So yeah, enjoy your content in vibrant color on an expensive screen. Enjoy immersive viewing, bold color, and eye-opening clarity on a vibrant 6.5-inch HD plus display that fits in your hand. Take the perfect photo every time. The triple camera system provides you with the flexibility to shoot super wide angle, add bokeh blur effects, or snap a quick one shot and shot focus. Get more time to talk, text, and share. The long-lasting powerful 4,000 mAh battery gives you more time to connect with all the special people in your life. The LG K51 has Metro Play, and if you guys don't know what this is, I'll show you guys what it is. It says you get more from your new phone with Metro Play. This phone includes Metro Play, an app offering created content from over 60 of today's most popular channels, all for free. Just swipe right from the home screen and tap the Metro Play tab at the top. So pretty cool. Specs on the LG K51. Like I said, they're not too bad. They're decent specs. You have 32 gigabytes of storage. You get about 23.2 gigabytes available to use. 6.5-inch AC plus full vision display. Triple rear camera with 13 megapixel basic text and autofocus, a 5 megapixel wide angle camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera on the back. And you do have a micro SD card slot up to 2 terabyte. Mobile hotspot, 23 hours of talk time, Android 10, 2 GHz. Octa-core processor, much of a processor. There's probably a MediaTek or Snapdragon 182. The LG K51 weighs 6.13 ounces. So, like I said, the specs from her are not that bad. They're pretty decent specs for what it is. This is a mid-range smartphone, so do keep it in mind. Here are some accessories for the LG K51. If you guys want to get more accessories for the LG K51, go to Amazon and type in LG K51, alright? So, like you guys said, the LG K51 is on here at Metro.T-Mobile. It's available now for $189.99. But if you guys want to get this phone for free, y'all guys can switch to Metro and get this phone for free if you get to a Metro store. So that is pretty cool. So if you guys are looking to get a mid-range smartphone, the LG K51 is worth looking at. This is a very nice phone with pretty decent specs. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.